On this episode of First Timers, we talk to you about Granatelli coil packs and spark plug wires and why we chose them for Project ZL1. How's it going, YouTube? And welcome back to the First Timers channel. And we're here today to talk about coil packs and spark plug wires. Particularly the ones that we're going to be talking about today are from Granatelli. Now, we did a lot of homework before we purchased these coil packs and spark plug wires for ZL1 here. Or actually, we should call it the Project Attack. Now, one of the reasons that we decided to go with these particular coil packs and wires was how much voltage these things were pushing out. 85,000 volts out of coil packs. That is literally unheard of. I have not seen even regular coils pushing out that amount of voltage. So I was really excited to see that. And then they threw a curveball at me, and as I'm searching on YouTube, looking at different things and why people are using them, zero resistance wires. And I was like, wait, what? I've never heard of this. So they were literally no resistance in these wires, or 0.01 resistance. And I was just like, how is that even possible? And so that really got me super excited. And I was like, okay, we'll have to try it. We'll have to see. I was a little skeptical because there was a lot of stuff online, and I just thought people were going, oh yeah, we bought them, installed them, oh yeah, big difference, blah blah blah. But I started watching the dyno results that people were showing, and I was just like, wow, I didn't think that these numbers were going to be that big by just changing coil packs. And for me, most coil packs I thought were working like they should and be giving you the exact voltage you need to the spark plug, and this was a big deal, a big change. Again, like I said, the horsepower gain was pretty remarkable as well. To be able to say that you're gonna just get about 12 horsepower, so we'll say 10 to 12 horsepower by just changing your stock coils to these ones, that is remarkable. So I'm hoping that we're going to be seeing at least 15 to 20 horsepower gain there. And like I said, it definitely, you feel it already. I'll tell you that right now. As you get to the end of the video, we'll be driving through the town just so you can kind of hear the engine and how it revs and how it idles and shifts and all that fun stuff. Just because I feel that you guys should really hear it, because it really made a big change on this car. The throttle response was amazing. Like I said, the idle, I felt like it dropped at least 100 RPM lower. Now, I thought that might have affected something. I actually feel like it made the car so much better, and like I said, I can't really explain why it does, but like when you come up, you don't even feel the car. It's just like it's really a super smooth idle. It really is. It's just one of those things that I was actually very impressed with. Now, one of the cool things with these particular bolt-on coil packs and wires is they're not going to void your factory warranty, so you can swap them on, put them on your car, and you can take them back and forth, to the dealership for your warranty services on either the newer ones or even on some of the older cars, even like Dodges and Fords that you might have lifetime warranties on. So this is something that is a big concern for a lot of people, and I definitely would have to say that is actually pretty cool that they're claiming that's not going to void your warranty. Now, again, there's going to be 4 on each side, so I just want to make sure that you guys know we just didn't swap one. I'm just only showing you how I changed out one particular coil pack, whereas 2 bolts, wire that feeds the coil pack, and then there's one that goes from the what's called the spark plug wire to the spark plug itself. It was very simple and easy to install, and yeah, I won't take up any more of your guys' time. I'll actually get you right into the footage. Like I said, again, 4 coil packs on each side, so it's a total of 8 spark plug wires, And yeah, let's just jump in there. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and all that fun stuff, guys.